Listen and practice.
Sorry, I lied to you. I want to resign from work. I want to resign from work. I bought this for you. I bought this for you. I told you I'm not sure. I told you I'm not sure. I told you I'm not married. I told you I'm not married. When will you come? When will you come? I will not come. I will not come.
When will you be back from work? When will you be back from work? Will you wait for me? Will you wait for me? I will miss you. I will miss you. I wanted more time. I wanted more time. Will you wait for me? Will you wait for me? I will be back soon. I will be back soon. Take your time. Take your time. I think she's very famous. I think she's very famous. Are you there? Are you there? I will be honest with you. I will be honest with you. Where are you living exactly? Where are you living exactly? I live near here. I live near here. You must defend yourself. You must defend yourself. I will never abandon you. I will never abandon you.
I couldn't leave you alone. I couldn't leave you alone.